Let's take a look at this example. We have to find voltage V1. We're supposed to also find I total. We're supposed to find IR1. Let me call this I1. And I'm going to also find this current. I'm going to call this current IX. Okay, and I'm supposed to find voltage across these 2 points, VAB. Okay, so now V1, voltage across resistor R1. Please notice that current is going to go like this. It's going to go definitely to the left. Why it's not going to go to the right? Because this is the open circuit. This is like a open bridge. So if bridge is open, there is no traffic. Okay, so there is no current flow. Okay, because current sees this gap, like extremely high resistance. So it's much easier for current to go this way to the ground instead of going this way. That's why current is going to ignore this way completely. That's why entire current is going to go to the left. And please notice what happened. Current is seeing over here resistance, and over here is seeing the short, right? Like a shortcut. So current definitely is not going to go through the resistance, because current is a very lazy guy and is always looking for the opportunity to reach the ground in the simplest way. So the simplest way is going to take this piece of wire. Okay, so my V1, voltage across resistor R1, let me write this over here, V1 is equal 0 volts. Why 0 volts? Because current is not going to flow through this resistor. Current is going to flow through this piece of wire. Okay, so keep in mind that Ohm's law says voltage is equal current times resistance. If my current is not flowing through this resistance, so my current is equal 0. 0 times any resistance is going to give me 0 volts. That's why my V1 is equal 0 volts. Simple like that. Next, we're supposed to find I total. In order to find I total, we have to find total resistance, R total. We said that current is not going to bother to go this way. Okay, so current is not going at all in this way. So current is going only this way, as we said before, and this is the only resistance which I have in my circuit, R2. So R total is equal R2. Okay, and we're supposed to find I total. Okay, R2, by the way, is equal 3.3 kilo ohms. So we're supposed to find I total. I total is equal voltage source over R total, where voltage source is equal 9 volts over R total 3.3 kilo ohms. Okay, so this is equal 9 divided by 3.3 exponent 3. This is equal 2.72 milliamps. I have 2.72 milliamps. So this is total current in my circuit. In other words, this is the current in this loop only. Okay, so we found I total, and we're supposed to find I1. We said that I1 is going to be equal 0, okay, because the entire current is going to go by this short, so nothing will go, nothing will flow over here. That's why I'm going to say that I1 is equal 0 amps. Next, we're supposed to find IX. IX, this is the current over here. We said that current is not bothered. Okay, it's not going to even try to go this way because it's like an open circuit, so there is no no bridge that the current can flow over to the other point. So that's why there is no traffic over here, no current. So if there is no current from point A to point B, there is also no current going through this resistor or through this connection. Okay, so that's why I'm going to say that Ix is also equal 0 amps. Next, we're supposed to find VAB. Okay, VAB. Okay, this is my open circuit. This is open circuit, and if it comes to the voltage, you're supposed to be aware that the voltage between these 2 points is going to be equal to the voltage across my voltage source in this case. Okay, so no matter how big this resistance is going to be, I don't care about this resistance because this resistance is shorted. So even if this circuit is going to be closed, maybe in the future, the current is not going to go through this resistor because this resistor is shorted. So no matter how big this resistance is going to be, voltage between these 2 points at this moment, okay, is going to be equal to voltage source. So VAB is equal voltage source, and this is equal 9 volts. Okay, and these are the solutions to my problem.